In today's video, I'll teach you how to add favorite teams on MLB. So first of all, open the MLB application. You can see over here MLB has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find this section for your account. Tap on this option account settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the options related with account settings. Over here you'll be able to find this option for my players and teams. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to add the favorite team. Tap on this option, add your favorite team that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see various teams over here. Tap on the team that you would like to add to the favorite. Now after you do that, you can see over here it has been added. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you add your favorite team on MLB. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.